Right, we have done jobs 1, 2, 3, 4 and now 5, the most interesting part of the whole lesson. This is quite a big game, and yes, it takes a lot to play it as well. But anyhow, once again, look for the one with the Unity icon and double click onto it. Here again, resolution depending on your computer, but let's just take the fastest resolution over here. Let's click on play. Oh boy, what's happened to the icon? Anyhow, doesn't matter.
Thank you for tuning in at TutorAl's TEFL Lessons.
Righto. Here we have got the 4 games, 4 of them, one for each team or whatever. Each you play a game more than once as well. Basically, if I'm going to click here on game, righto. As I said to you, you have got questions from the movie, the previous lesson. In the wheelbarrow there was what? Which one of these over here? Righto. In the wheelbarrow there was some straw. Righto. So the time is running. You get score. Here's a little guy, little Jimmy. He is standing in the middle of the village. Right. As you can see, he's around. If you turn around the village and to go to the farm, you have to run over the hill there, over the bridge, and to the farm. Now they're asking, find the chef. He has to find the chef and punch the chef out of the game. If you're not sure where the chef is, you can always go up here to hint and go and click on hint. But when you click on hint, you lose 5 points, right? But here it tells you the chef is making pizza in the coffee shop. When you have finished reading the hint, you must go and click done. Now we know the coffee shop. There's a coffee shop. You can see there's a coffee shop there. Now what we're going to do is we're going to left click, right, where we're aiming. Jimmy will turn and walk into that direction, right? Now we know the chef is inside the coffee shop. Where is the chef over here? Oh, there's the chef there making pizza over there, right? There he is. Let's go to the front of the chef. When we get to the chef, press the middle mouse button and you'll punch him out of the game. And as you can see, we have got 5-point score now because you get 10 for each one. The next question to unlock the wheelbarrow. Now, if you're playing in a team, at this stage, the student must give the mouse to the next stage, to the next student. Righto. Who said, I found a new job? Was it the wheelbarrow? Was it security guard, the manager, or Peter? I think it was a security guard if I can remember correctly, right? Yes, there it is. Now they say find the fireman. Oh boy, where is the fireman now? Let's go and see. Hint. The fireman is testing a fire hydrant next to the general dealer's store. Great. None. Done. Let's go out of here. Oops, where? Where's Jimmy going to? Where's the door? Oopsie, what has happened here? Righto, there's little Jimmy is back again. Righto, oops. He seems to be walking through the things. There's the door. Out of the door. Where's the general dealer store? Righto, I think that's maybe, yeah. Oh, there's the post office, and then the general dealer store must be over here somewhere. Right, let's get him running. Press both mouse buttons to get him running, right? If you leave the right mouse button, he will stop running. Righto, there's the fireman. I see the fireman over there. Righto, let's move to the fireman. Right up to the fireman, and when you get to him, punch him out of the game. Oopsie, he didn't go out of the game. Why not? Righto, but anyhow, you got your score there. Time is running. There was a huge bundle of straw next to the factory, behind the factory, wherever. Behind the factory, righto. So now we have unlocked it. We must find the dentist. Where is the dentist? Oh boy. Oh boy. Where's the dentist? Where would we find the dentist? Hey? Did you see a dentist somewhere? Let's rather draw a hint. The dentist is at the post office. Oh, great. Righto, it's close by. Where? There's a post office. Oh, there's a dentist standing in front of the post office. Righto, there's a dentist in front of the post office. Right, there he is. Punch him out of the game. And that's how the whole game goes. I can't remember how many occupations there was, but anyhow, the computer will select 10 at random for the team. And you can play this game as many times as you wish, right? So, with that said, we have reached the end of the jobs unit. And like I've told you, you know, a game like this, You can think for yourself how much work goes into making a game like this. Really, guys, it takes a lot of time and a lot of work, believe me. Anyhow, like I've told you many times already, if you're having fun and your students are gaining by it, guys, please head over to Patreon and become a patron and make a donation. Even no matter how small or how big, the bigger ones I enjoy more, of course, but no matter how big or how small it is, every donation is well appreciated, and it just helps me to make more videos like this over here. Thank you very much, guys. Take care and see you in the next lesson.